Well, students, topic of the video is binomial theorem. This is your third lecture on this topic. Prove that when fourth sum, prove that the coefficients of x to the power m and x to the power n are equal in the expansion of 1 plus h whole to the power m plus n. So, let r1 plus 1th term and r2 plus 1th term be the required term containing x to the power m and x to the power n. It means in this term r1 plus 1 power of x is m, in this term power of x is n. So t of r1 plus 1 is equals to, this is by this m plus 1 n c r1 1 to the power m plus n minus r1 x to the power r1. So we get m plus n c r1 x to the power r1, and therefore t of r2 plus 1 is equals to m plus n c r2 1 to the power m plus n minus r2 x to the power r2. So m plus n c r2 x to the power r2. Now you see that this is x to the power r1, so this is x to the power m. According to the problem, r1 equals to m, and that one is x to the power r2 and that one is x to the power n. So according to the problem, r2 is equals to n. Therefore coefficients of this one is, therefore m plus n c r1 is replaced by m, so m plus n factorial by m plus n minus m factorial by m factorial. So m plus n factorial by cancellation m, this is n factorial into m factorial, and by using this coefficient is m plus n c r2. In the place of r2 we write n, so m plus n factorial by m plus n minus n factorial, so that one m plus n factorial by cancellation m factorial into n factorial. Now students, you see that, so coefficient of x to the power m means x to the power r1 is m plus n c r1, this one is that one, and coefficient of x to the power n, that is x to the power r2, is this one. From this we can get m plus n c n equals to m plus n factorial by m factorial n factorial. So this term and this term will be same. So coefficient of x to the power m is equals to coefficient of x to the power n. So the next sum is, next sum 5, find the middle term or terms of the expansion x square by 3 plus 3 by x square whole to the power 8. Here n, power of the expansion is 8, is even, So middle term equals to n by 2 plus 1th term. So 8 by 2 plus 1, so 5th term. Therefore T5 is equals to T of 4 plus 1, so 8C4 x square by 3 whole to the power 8 minus 4, 3 by x square whole to the power 4. So 8C4 is 8 factorial by 8 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial into x square by 3 whole to the power 8 minus 4 is 4. So x square whole to the power 4 is x to the power 2 4 is the 8 and 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4 by x square whole to the power 4, 2 into 4 8. So by cancellation these two and these two, 8 factorial by 4 factorial into 4 factorial. So that can be written as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 4 factorial. By cancellation 4 to the 8, 3 to the 6, 2 cancel. So 7 5 is a 30, 30 into 2, 7 5 is a 35, 35 into 2, 70. The next sum is 6, number 6. Find the middle term or terms in the of the expansion of x square minus 1 by x whole to the power 9. Here n equals to 9, which is odd. So there exists two middle term. So first middle term is 9 plus 1 by 2, and second midterm is 9 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So fifth term, and this one is sixth term. So T5 equals to T of 4 plus 1. T of 4 plus 1 is 9C4 x square whole to the power 9 minus 4 minus 1 by x whole to the power 4. So 9C4 is 9 factorial by 9 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial into x to the power x square whole to the power 5. So x2 into 5 10 by minus 1 to the power 4 is 1 by x to the power 4. So 9 factorial is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 5 factorial by 5 factorial into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 5 factorial cancel out, 4 to the 8, 3 is a 9, 2 cancel out. So 6 7 is a 42, 42 into 3 126 into x to the power 6. So 126 x to the power 6. This is one middle term, and the second middle term is T6. Now what is T6? T6 is T of 5 plus 1. So 9C5 x square whole to the power 9 minus 5 minus 1 by x whole to the power 5. So 9c5 is 9c4, x to the power 2 into 10, 5, 2 into 4, 8, minus 1 to the power 5 by x to the power 5. So this one is minus 1 is minus 9c4 is 9 factorial by 9 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. Or in the previous t5 is 9c4 is 126, there is also 126. So x to the power 8 minus 5 is 3. So 9 factorial is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial by this one is 5 factorial into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 factorial cancel out. 4 2 is 8, 2 2, 3 2 is 6. So 7 9 7 is 63, 63 into 2 126. So minus 126 into x to the power 3. So final answer is minus 126 x to the power 3. Those twos are middle term. In the next video on this topic we discuss few more sums.